Now let's look into something that makes your data instantly more readable and meaningful. That is sorting. Because when you get a data set, it usually not in a nice order. It is random. But in real analysis, order matters a lot. You might want to see higher salaries first, lowest prices first, top performer on the top, or sorted names alphabetically. That is exactly sorting helps you to do. Okay, little bit self promotion. I have created these two websites where I am going to upload all of my tutorials and content about web development and AI automation. So it will be little bit graphical. Hopefully you will like it and get some value from those websites. Here I have created a new file with name of 09 sorting. In here I have imported pandas and numpy, and I have seeded 42 items randomly, and this is the data I have created. If you want to get the same data, just click the link in the description of this video. You'll find the source code. From there just go to 09 sorting and copy this data. Otherwise you can pause the video and write it by yourself according to you. And here I have created this data frame and printing it out. Let me just do it. UV run 09. Yeah, here we are printing the data. Now let's do df underscore sorted salary is equal df underscore employees dot sorted sort values is going to be salary, and this is not going to be in ascending order. Instead it is going to be in descending order. Let me print it out. Print df sorted salary. In here what I want is name, department and salary. Let's try it out now. Yeah, we got all the employees with name, department and salary. This salary, this column is in sorted. It is in descending order, therefore the large value will get at the top and the smallest value will get at the bottom. This sort value returns a new data frame, and here the index is also rearranged. We can also sort alphabetically. To do that, let me df sorted name df underscore employees dot sorted values, and in here we need name, and let's not use this. We'll use ascending false by default, so let's just get rid of it. Let me just copy this and paste it below here. The name and department, let's get rid of this salary as well. df sorted name instead of salary. Again I made another mistake. I made a plenty of spelling mistake. We got name and department. Name is Alice, department is IT, and all those names are sorted alphabetically. You have noticed that. We can also sort multiple columns. To do that, we need to use df. Let's create a variable multi sort, and in here df underscore employees dot sort values, and in here instead of a string I'm going to pass a dictionary, and in dictionary we'll pass department and will pass salary as well. We are going to use this list again. First one is true and the last one is false. That means we want to sort department in ascending order but salary in descending order. So let me just copy this and paste it below here, and I'm going to use this df multisort. Then again let's print it out. Yeah, we got it. Name, department, salary. We got the department in ascending order here, finance, HR, IT, and the salary in descending order. Let's handle missing values in sort. Let me copy this and paste it below here, and let's add some non values for demonstration purpose. df with underscore na, df underscore actually sorry, let me cut it. I'm not sure why I misspelled. Yeah, df employees dot copy. We are not going to change anything in our employees data frame, so df with na dot log, and in index 2 let's performance. Actually in row 2 the performance will be np dot none. Okay, let's do same for this is C not G actually, and let's do same for this time. Let's select row 5. We have printed it out. Now let's see, and we have run, and here is our table. Inside it we have this row 2 and we got none in here, and we have this row 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. Actually not row 5, it is index 5. We have used this log with index and column name. We can also sort our index. So let me just copy this and paste it below here. Now I'm going to copy the data frame df custom index is equal df underscore employees dot copy, and afterward copy this and paste it below here. Then index is equal e then a then c then g then we have d then we have f, and lastly we have h. Now let's print it out. Print df custom index is equal name. Okay, let's get rid of this and once again run it in the terminal. Length got okay, it has 8 elements, so we need to make sure it has 8 elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We only have 7. Let's include b in here, and again run this. Yeah, we got it. We got all the indexes. The first one is EAC, which we have ordered in here, EAC. We can also sort this as well. So to sort it, we just need to write like this. Create a variable df underscore index sorted is equal df custom index dot sort index. This is the function only we need. Then I'm again going to print this name and department as well. Again I'm going to use another print statement. This is where we are going to have a f string sorted index in here, df index sorted dot index dot to list. Now let's see. Okay, this is the sorted index a b c d e f g h. Okay, this is not sorted and below here it is sorted. Let me just use this sorted index in place of custom index, as I made this mistake plenty of times in this tutorial. For example, if you want to need only 3 employees that has the top salary, so let's get it like this: top 3 salary is equal df underscore employees dot n largest. Actually, I guess I made a mistake, spelling mistake, as I always do. Largest 3 salary, and this should be 3. Okay, now again let me copy this statement, this print statement, and paste it below here. In place of df multi-sort, let me replace it with this line, top 3 salary. Let's get all the employees. Actually, let's get 2 employees who are youngest in employees. Okay, so let me just copy this line and paste it below here, and youngest youngest 2 is equal n largest n is smallest. Here the only function we are going to change is smallest. Instead of 2, instead of 3, let's get 2, and we are not going to filter by salary. Instead we are going to filter by age. Then again let me just copy this line and paste it below here, and again I'm going to use youngest 2, and let's see. Okay, here I'm getting 3 employees who has more salary than others, and here I have 2 employees who have less age than others. Let me just make it age so you can understand better. Yeah, those 2 employee has less age than others. Let's do some ranking. Let me just copy this. We are going to rank them by performance. Values is equal df underscore employees, then performance, and we're going to copy the performance column, copy, and here it is. Let's sort by date and time. To sort by date and time, we need to do like this: df underscore date sorted is equal df underscore employees dot sort values, and here we have join columns, join date columns. So let me just copy this and paste it here. Join date ascending false. We'll get all the employees that joined recently at first. Okay, so let me just print df date sorted, name, department, join date. Yeah, that's all I need. Yeah, okay, the Fiona who joined 2020 on in the month of 7th and 30. Okay, and the Charlie joined before that. You can see this is who joined later is coming at the top. Who joined earlier is going at the bottom. Hope you understand these sorting things. Let's do some ranking. In here, let's do percentage ranking. For that, I'm going to create a new column, df underscore employees, and the column name will be salary percentage, then df underscore employees, then we'll have salary, then rank ect is equal true. What a miserable autocomplete I am using. Okay, df okay, df employee salary percentage, then df underscore employees, and again we are going to select salary, and we are going to rank on percentage. So let's see, let me just copy this employee here. In place of join date, this is going to be salary, and the last column will be salary percentage. Let's see how it looks. Is salary percentage not in index? So yeah, here is the problem. I need to use this df employees in place of here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we are getting salary percentage 0.5, 0.12. This is the percentage. Okay, this is the highest value, and we are getting all other salaries in percentage of this. Hope you understand.